Hello, my name is Ismael Campos. For material design for face-to-face environments, I'm going to make this recorder. The topic is types of material that we can include when we go to develop materials for teach any language, in this case English language. The types of material should permit a silent period at the beginning of instruction. Materials should take into account the learning different in affective aptitudes. Materials should take into account that learning different in learning style. Materials should take into account that the positive effects of instruction are usually delayed. Materials should provide the learner with opportunity to use the target language to achieve a communicative purpose. As we can see, there are many characteristics that we have to know to design any material, because we can find another materials that I didn't put it on this presentation as material with feedback, material that help the student to have self-confidence or self motivation. But I think that the people that are teaching any language have to know that the material depends the topic or the different students. And we can see we can use computers or mind maps. Also, we can use material with motivation, or we can use the naughty people. For me, it's important the people always try to adhere the language with native people, because they can get the better pronunciation and another I don't know, another words or colloquial phrase that we can use, because we always use the same words. So for me, I think that the materials have to be designed for different people. Well, what is the purpose? The purpose of the material is a good communication, manage the 4 skills, a student with a desire to learn, and meet the purpose goal. So we know that when we learn any language, the communication is our goal. You can write, you can speak, you can read, you can make anything when you get any language. For the reason, use the 4 skill is very important. And when we can put or focus the student to desire to learn, they all will go to learn and go to search in others in other sites, in other places, for complement their learning. And as we can see, the purpose is get a good communication. That is our goal. Thank you for your attention.